In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a giveaway on Shopify using the AppsMav platform. First, let's get started by going to your Shopify admin dashboard. If you're not already there, open up your web browser and navigate to your Shopify account. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the homepage, which is your central hub for managing your store. Now, we're going to head over to the Apps section. You can find this in the left-hand menu on your Shopify dashboard. Click on Apps, and once you're there, you'll notice an option to add new apps. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to the Shopify App Store, where we can find the tools we'll need for our giveaway. Once you're in the Shopify App Store, use the search bar at the top to type in giveaway. This search will bring up several options, but for this video, we'll focus on AppsMav Social Boost. It's an excellent tool for running engaging and effective giveaways. Click on this app to proceed. With the AppsMav Social Boost page open, the next step is to install it into your Shopify store. You'll see a button that says Install. When you click on it, Shopify will ask for your confirmation to add this app to your store. Confirm this action by clicking Install once more to integrate it fully. After the app is installed, you'll be directed to the AppsMav dashboard. This is where the fun begins as we start setting up your giveaway. Begin by clicking on Start Exploring. Think of this as your launchpad for creating a dynamic giveaway campaign that will attract your customers. You'll be taken through a guided setup. The first step asks you to click Next to continue with the onboarding process. Follow along, and when prompted, you'll have the option to click on Create. This action will allow you to start building your giveaway campaign. The AppsMav platform is intuitive, offering a seamless experience as you design a campaign tailored to your store's audience. Be sure to fill in all the necessary details for your giveaway, such as the prize information, entry methods, and any additional promotional material that will captivate your audience. It's essential to think creatively and strategically about these elements to maximize participation and engagement. And that's it for setting up your giveaway on Shopify using AppsMav. With this setup, you can attract new customers, delight existing ones, and effectively boost your store's visibility and traffic. Thanks for joining today, and happy giving! Feel free to explore further features within AppsMav to enhance your campaign.